Once we get offers on your home is when the fun begins. It can be stressful if you don't receive the amount you were hoping for, but don't worry, that is why you hire a good negotiator like myself. Hi, I'm Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the SF Bay Area, serving buyers, sellers, and investors in their real estate transactions, and I am a negotiation expert. Knowing how to properly negotiate on your behalf is essential, not only to getting you the most amount of money on your home, but also on negotiating the best terms. Once we receive offers on your home, there are few essential components that need to be done prior to meeting with you to discuss the offers. We vet all of the buyers by calling the agent and the lenders and making sure that the buyer is truly qualified. We verify funds, ask critical questions, find out about how motivated and in love with your property the buyer is, and so on. During this process, we also are getting to learn about the buyer's agent and lender to see how much experience they have. If they have properly educated the buyer and to get an idea as to how they are going to be to work with. Believe it or not, the buyer's agent is just as important to ensuring the deal will close as the buyer's qualification. After vetting the buyer, their realtor and lender, then we meet with you to discuss the offer and review the terms. We will give you our advice on the offers in regards to the pros and cons of each. But ultimately, you make the decision as to which offer to take and what to counter. Now, if we have more than one offer, there is another process that we go through. We give an offer deadline date, then we do a counter offer to all of the offers, requesting them to give their highest and the best offer. Once we have those, we meet with you to discuss which of those offers you would like to counter. Generally, this gives us an opportunity to get a higher price from the buyer and better terms for you because we are speaking from the cream of the crop, so to speak. At this time, the buyers can choose to accept our terms or to counter us back. You have the opportunity to choose which offer you would like to take at this time, and again we will advise you to the pros and cons. Once we come to terms, we are now officially in escrow. Watch our next video to see and understand what happens now and what to expect regarding timelines, etc. Understanding that in most cases, if you are dealing with a loan, the average time frame to close on a home is about 30 days. Give and take. If you are dealing with cash, you can close in little as 3 days, but 7 days in more realistic. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area, serving sellers, buyers, and investors with excellence and integrity. I love what I do, and people love what I do. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.